Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix Among Us black screen problem in iPhone. Most of the time when you try to join a game and it shows you the black screen. In that case, the most easiest way to fix the problem is close your Among Us game and reopen it again. Once you close and reopen your Among Us game, the problem should be fixed. But if it's still not fixed, then check your internet. Sometimes slow internet as well causes the problem. But if your internet is not the issue and you're still facing the problem, then I would suggest you to delete Among Us app and reinstall it again. Sometimes a bug causes the problem, so deleting the app and reinstalling it again will fix it. That is how you guys can fix Among Us black screen problem. And if even after deleting and reinstalling it didn't fix the problem, then try to wait for 2 or 3 days. A bug might have caused the problem and Among Us is going to provide you an update. So after 2 or 3 days, check for update and update your Among Us to the latest version. The problem should be fixed. That's how you guys can fix Among Us black screen problem in iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.